Information about Actinidia kolomikta. Actinidia kolomikta, also known as kolomikta kiwi, is a deciduous vine that belongs to the Actinidiaceae family. It is native to eastern Siberia, northern China, Korea, and Japan. The plant is known for its beautiful variegated leaves that change color throughout the growing season. Here are some key characteristics and information about Actinidia kolomikta. Growth habit. Actinidia kolomikta is a vigorous climbing vine that can reach a height of 20 to 30 feet, 6 to 9 meters. It requires support to climb, such as a trellis or a fence. Foliage. The leaves of Actinidia kolomikta are its most distinctive feature. They are ovate in shape and have pink, white, and green variegation. The colors are most intense in the spring and fall, and the leaves turn mostly green in the summer. Flowers. Actinidia kolomikta produces small, fragrant, white flowers in early summer. The flowers are dioecious, which means that male and female flowers are borne on separate plants. Fruit. The fruit of Actinidia kolomikta is small, green, and fuzzy. It is edible but not commonly consumed. Hardiness. Actinidia kolomikta is hardy in USDA zones 3 to 8. Growing conditions. Actinidia kolomikta prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. It grows best in full sun to partial shade. Uses. Actinidia kolomikta is primarily grown as an ornamental plant for its beautiful foliage. However, it can also be grown for its fruit, which is high in vitamin C. Overall, Actinidia kolomikta is a beautiful and unique vine that can add interest to any garden.